In this video, I'll detail how to make your iPhone flash when you get a notification like a call or SMS on your iPhone. So each time you have an incoming call, your iPhone is going to flash, and each time you have a message, this is going to make your iPhone flash LED light at the back using the camera light. So if at the end of this video you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now here are all the steps you need to take to make sure your iPhone flash whenever you have an incoming calls or whenever you get a notifications. So first, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to audio and visual. Select that and then scroll down. You should see LED flash for alert. Tap that. Then here, to turn on LED flash for alert, when you have an incoming calls or messages on your iPhone, just turn this on. Then if you want your iPhone to flash while unlocked, turn this on. If you want your iPhone to flash in silent, then you can say control LED flash for alert when the ring switch is set to silent and the device is unlocked. So if all these functions are enabled on your iPhone will flash whenever you have an incoming call or alert, whether your iPhone is unlocked or your iPhone ringer is set to silent. So that's all you need to do to make your iPhone flash when you get a notification on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.